Potato Ivy Gourd Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most healthiest of the veg recipes, and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most unique of the potato recipes, and one of the easiest to make of the rice recipes. Today we are going to make potato ivy gourd rice. The ingredients are 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, 150 grams of ivy gourd cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 green chillies, 10 shallots cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and 1 onion cut into pieces. 1 cup of rice. We have taken long grain rice. Take 2.5 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep the water to boil. Now put in a pinch of salt. And let the water boil further. Pour in 5 ml of oil. And let the water boil. Now put in the soaked and washed rice into the water. Now let the rice cook for 15 minutes. The rice is ready, and rice can be taken off the flame and used to make the dish further. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the shallot, ginger, and the garlic. Keep on sauteing. Salt until golden brown. Now put in the ivy gourd pieces. Salt thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in 2 spoons of garam masala or mixture of spices. Mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Put in the potato pieces. Mix. Salt and mix potato pieces thoroughly. pour in again with water, mix, and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes. Add water if necessary. After 15 minutes, put in the rice. Mix. Mix thoroughly. And let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. This is the final potato ivy gourd rice, and now this can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final potato ivy gourd rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes, and one of the most nutritious of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most healthiest of the ivy gourd recipes, and one of the most easiest to prepare of the rice recipes, and one of the most unique of the vegetarian recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.